Yeah. I'm gonna miss you. Goodbye. You shrunk! Did I smash you when I, like... I want to hear a story about my brother. He's such a royal idiot. So he went in the hot tub, slashed the jacuzzi with his phone in his pocket. And now it doesn't work, so... If I press the button, it doesn't work, it won't go on. We tried to put it in rice for 2 days, and it wouldn't work! So he might buy a new phone. Hey guys, I'm sick today, that's why I'm at home missing school. And I'm about to play Smashy Road.
Mom, can I have one more piece of cake?
One bite.
Really? Okay.
I love my dog and Space Rogue's dog. Can you believe the freaking Philadelphia Eagles are going to the Super Bowl against the Patriots? Who do you think's going to win? Comment down below.
Oh, don't. No, we'll find a funny picture of Goldie.
And now you just have to remember to smash that like button, smash it, and subscribe and share. Peace.